Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix error the request URL return error 404 like this. It happened when the repository was expired, so we must update the repository. The syntax is pacman s yeah. On the Manjaro is pacman min s place sudo in the front, so the syntax is sudo pacman min s as bigger. Okay, synchronize spaghetti database. We're waiting under core extra and community 100%. Okay, please find and multi-lib for was done when core extra community and multi-lib was 100%. In this video I will show you about installation Chromium again. The Chromium is alternative window alternative Chrome browser. Okay, we try yeah. Nah kan, and here no error. The request return 0. Return error 44 was fixed. Okay, we're waiting until Chromium was downloaded. Today is version 92.0.45. Okay, it's dependent about how fast internet we have it. So in this video is how to fix the error, the request URL returns the error 44, and how to install Chromium. Okay guys, I think we must pause until this is downloaded. Okay, I press. Okay guys, download the version 19 yes 100%. Okay, processing is very quickly, so was downloaded and was installed. Okay, we search here Chromium. Where is? Nah, this is Chromium. So, click open. Having something wrong. So we try open. Now is have error. Liberally will to fix it. Try to install this library. At least the library is doesn't access